Sometimes people ask, what is the average value of a personal injury case? There's really no way to answer that in a way that is helpful to a person asking that question. I'm sure if you got on Google and type that question in, someone's done a study out there somewhere and they'll tell you what the average value of a personal injury case is. But that doesn't matter for the person who's usually asking that question. Why? Because what's going to determine their personal injury case's value is the important question. And that's always dependent on the unique circumstances of that case. So in other frequently asked questions, I've explained how a case's value or worth is determined. Please go and check out those videos that I've done on that question, because what you'll learn is there are many factors that go into determining the value of a case. And simply looking at the average value of a case, for example, a national average or even a statewide average, is not very helpful to someone who's trying to figure out what their case is worth. Now, I can tell you that due to my experience and background in handling catastrophic injury cases, brain injury cases, spinal cord injury cases, and knowing Virginia the way I know it, I can tell you and give you a good idea of what your case may be worth, generally speaking, in various different areas of the state. Again, that's going to depend on the specific facts of the case. But when you get down to a more granular level and you talk to an attorney who's had more experience in a certain area than in other areas, they can give you a good idea of what other juries have awarded, of what other settlements have occurred in that area. And that information can be helpful in deciding what your case may be worth.